Okay, so we can do the is over of equals percent over 100. That works for this. Is over of equals percent over 100. And the way that you've got to think about it is the original price is 100% of the cost, right? The original 100% of the cost. And so that original price is going to be the of number. Is will be what it actually is at this percent that you're paying. Now, the big trick with this is you're not paying 45%. You're taking off 45% from 100. So what is 100 minus 45? 100%. Take away 45%, which is what you're saving, and I will actually write it under here. Original price is the full price, 100%, minus 45% discount. Equals what? 55%. Okay, and that is what you pay, because that's what you want to know. What is the sale price, or what do you pay? So even though they told you it's 45% off, you actually need to do this math and find out that you pay then the other 55%. So is over of equals percent over 100 becomes is, we don't know what the price we pay is, that's X, of the original price. The original price was $69.50. Is what percent? Is 55% out of 100. Now we're going to do multiply the diagonals, okay? 100x, or let's say 100 times x equals 69.50 times 100. That becomes 100x. Sorry, I said that correctly. 69.50 times, what's diagonal from it? 55. I made the mistake there. Sorry about that. 55. Okay. So we then get 100x equals, and I'm not sure what this number is, so I'm going to calculate it over here on the side. Let's see. Times 55. 5 times 0, 0. 5 times 5, 25. Carry the 2. 5 times 9, 45. Plus 2, 47. Carry the 4. 3 times 6, 30. Plus 4, 34. 0 placeholder. And now we do the same thing again. 5 times 0, 0. 5 times 5, 5. Carry the 2. 5 times 9, 45. Plus 2 is 47. Carry the 4. 5 times 6 is 30. Plus 4 is 34. Now you might know that if you look here, all of these digits, these two are the same, 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 these two are the same. It's the exact same row shifted over by one because multiply by the same number. So if you know that, you can just recopy the digits from the last line. Okay, add them together. 0, 5, 2, carry the 1, 8, 12, carry the 1, 8, 3. And in the problem, there are how many digits behind a decimal? These two are the only two digits behind a decimal, so we have 2 in the answer right there. So we've got 100x equals 3822.5, or 0.50, but I don't need to leave that last 0 on there. And now we need to divide both sides by 100. So 100x divided by 100 equals 3,822.5 divided by 100. And I know that when you divide by 100, you just move the decimal over 2 places. So what we get is 38.225. Okay. Now, we have to round this. Money only goes out, US money, right, dollars, only goes out 2 places. So we say, okay, this is in the hundreds place. So what's just beyond it? It's a 5. If it's 5 or higher, which it is. The 2 goes up to a 3. So we then have as an answer, we say 38.23 or $38.23 is the sale price of the dress. That, my friends, is your answer.